What you see right here is the result of a water main break that happened right here in Grand Coteau Thursday night. As you can see, the water reaches up all the way to my boots and it measures to almost half a foot high. I'm Paris Flanagan, your St. Landry Parish reporter, and I caught up with neighbors speaking to them about being caught up in this mess. This is what Anna Huval and her brother Josh came back home to Thursday night on Market Street.
Quite a bit of water in the front yard.
Enough to make it appear like a lake. What do you think about all this standing outside your house and this happened?
It's crazy.
Water gushing, the street and her yard underwater. City crews scattered at both ends of the street trying to fix a water main break that led to schools and businesses shutting down, roads closing, and neighbors getting stuck inside their homes. At first, Huval didn't think much of it until she saw all of this.
I think it's kind of funny actually because my yard kind of floods pretty bad regardless, like during the rain. If it's been raining pretty consistently, my yard floods. So when my brother texted me, I was like, oh, it's gonna be fine. I was like, it happens. And then I got here and I was like, oh, that's actually worse than normal. So something is definitely wrong.
City workers with the town of Grand Coteau responded by bringing in heavy equipment and tools to replace the pipe that broke with a new one. Now, Paul Prejean, the town supervisor, tells me that the piping that burst is just outdated and needed to be replaced.
This is a big surprise for all of us.
And that's because the town recently installed new pipes on several streets but didn't finish the project. And it's unclear as to why. As for now, the issue is resolved and the water is back on. But Huval says she hopes the city can keep an eye on the issue so nothing like this happens again.
But I really love living here. I moved here in May of last year and I've lived here before.
Now, there will be a boil water advisory in effect until further notice. But for right now, reporting here in Grand Coteau, I'm Paris Flanagan, your St. Landry Parish reporter at KETC TV3.